Letting a cleaning solution sit before scrubbing dramatically increases its ability to break down dirt and kill microbes, so always give it time. When a cleaner rests on a surface for 5 to 10 minutes, it penetrates pores, softens grease, and weakens biofilms that bind soils and microbes, which reduces the force and abrasion you need to remove them. Use warm water to pre-wet porous surfaces so the product can spread evenly and reach crevices. Cold surfaces, slow chemical action. Apply the recommended amount in a thin, even layer rather than dousing one spot, because excess can drip away and leave untreated areas. Keep the surface visibly wet during the dwell time by misting if needed, since letting the solution dry can leave residues or redeposit loosened grime. For concentrated products, always dilute precisely as instructed, because too weak will not break bonds and too strong can damage finishes or leave sticky films. When treating high-touch or food contact surfaces, follow contact time on the label and then rinse thoroughly with potable water if the product requires it. Common mistakes include scrubbing immediately, which forces particles deeper and spreads contaminants. So wait the full dwell period and then use a gentle circular motion to lift residue. Another problem is letting the cleaner dry out. If you see beading or drying edges, reapply a fine mist to keep it active and then finish within 10 minutes. A third issue is overusing harsh abrasives after dwell time. Test in an inconspicuous area first and switch to a soft nylon brush or microfiber cloth to avoid scratching while still removing softened soils. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work and showcase examples of their services. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and compare experiences about cleaning methods and project planning.